Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone, welcome back to my little jungle. Yeps, but if you can see, I have a box here, and yes, I've already pre-opened it because this box arrived yesterday noon and it's too hot out here, so I decided that I'm just going to do unboxing today, this morning. So in order for the plant to get aired, because yesterday was so hot, and so that's why I decided to open the box and did like that. That way those plants get a little bit of air, but that's the box. And I have at least 4 plants in there, but this is how they pack that. I did not remove this, it's still like that. So but now I'm gonna take it off now and put it right here. Anyway, if you can see, these plants came from Steve's leaves. Yes, and look how they did that. They put a it says live plants keep from heat or cold. So yesterday was so cold, so, and it came from here in Texas, from Louisville, Texas. So they shipped it like Wednesday, and then they arrived it yesterday. Yesterday was what's yesterday? Friday, I guess. Yeah, yesterday was Friday. So, but let's go look what I got here. As usual, they sent me, this is my second purchase actually from Steve's Leaves. Last month my husband purchased a begonia, and I did pay for this one because, you know, I want to get me something for myself. But wait a moment. Okay, let's see what I got here. So they sent me again this is the what to do when your order arrives, and I've read those, and there are some instructions that I did not follow last time, but my begonia is doing well right now. I'm gonna show it with you, my update later, but this is what I got here. I got begonia melanubulata crossed with QI, and they said it's limited release. So, and I have the begonia Steve's Leaves Helixopotamos and begonia Steve's Leaves Kindle, and the Steve's Leaves Texas Shield. I've been wanting this Texas Shield, but you know, last time, you know, these begonias, they just sold right away, so you have to grab it as soon as you see it. So anyway, let's get this, and that way they can breathe now. And see, this is the name, they put name here. Let's take it off first before I lost it. Ooh. And this is the Helixopotamos. So let's put that here first. And let's see how it look in here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Just look how beautiful this is. I'm so excited actually. It's packed very well. So look how beautiful that is. I love the leaves. You know, I saw the leaves, the mature one with this one, and it's so beautiful. You know, the silvery leaf they got. Let's see. See how beautiful that leaf's gonna be. That's silver color, but it's been in a box for how many days, so that's why the silver color is not so vivid right now. But as soon as they get sunshine like that, sun brightness, and they get matured. Wow, the leaves is just so wow. I love it. That's why I got one. But anyway, let's move forward to the next one because it's gonna be so hot a little later here again. And let's put this first so I don't forget which one is which. Let's see, I don't want to poke it. Okay, let's just do like that. And yes, it's big. That's, I think, 3.5-inch pot. So, and this is the Begonia melanubulata. Yeah, I don't want to remove that. That way I can just paste it like that later. I don't want to lost my begonias names because I always want my begonia. I always want my plants has name because, you know, when you are looking for a care about them, you just go type the names and you'll get the how to care about those plants. So most of the plants I got doesn't have a name because I bought them in a big store. So that's why. But look at these. Ah, so pretty. Oh no, oh no. I hope this leaf is not broken. I think that's, yeah, it's not broken. Look how beautiful. I was so in love with these. It's kind of spiky leaves. Yeah, that's why I like this one. And that's why I get it. I am supposed to get this last time, but people are just grabbing it so fast. I can't keep up with them, you know. So now I got one. And it's gonna be so beautiful. And that's my melanobulata. So let's put the name there. All right, that's my second baby. Let's go get the next one, and this is Steve's Leaves Texture Shield. Wow, I got my shield now. I'm so excited with my texture shield actually. This was, I'm supposed to order it last time. I asked my husband to order it last time, but he made a mistake, so it's alright. But now I got it, so. Come on now, why are you being angry? Alright. And ta-da! It's so pretty. I can't believe how pretty this is. See, this leaf is also look like that what's that, the other one, the first one that I opened, but this is more kind of big spikes like that, and it's different from that one. And I got another one. It's so cute. I love it. See the comparison? This one is kind of dark. See, it's kind of dark and very much more spikes than this one. See the leaves, the difference of the leaves. Yep. So I got that. I got these two. I've been wanting these begonias, but the thing that's making me hold from ordering online was the shipping cost. It's too expensive, you know. If you are just gonna buy one piece of plants, the shipping's too expensive. I think it's 12 something like that, $12. And this is my Kindle, Steve's Leaves Kindle, and let's see how it looks like here. I'm so excited actually. I'm kind of shaking for excitement. I'm so overreacting. I'm just so excited, you know, with what I got. And I don't know, it's just me, you know. I'm always so excited whenever I got something new. Ta-da! And here it is. Oh, look how silvery now. It's so cute. And look at the back. I got that burgundy color again. It's so cuteness. Oh, I love it. It's so pretty. So that's are my 4 begonia, and this is my Kindle. I still have more plants that begonias that I wanted to order, but maybe next time. So let's clear the table for a moment and put them at the center. See, that's how beautiful my babies are. See, I got them. So that's all for today's video, my unboxing video of my Steve's Leaves purchase. And here they are, my new babies, my new begonias, and I'm so content that I already have these 4 babies, but I still wanted to get those other ones that are they look so pretty, and because they look so pretty, I wanted to get them. My husband, Equip Yourself Life Skills, said everything that has green leaves and variegated leaves are pretty in your eyes. So and that's true. I really love nature. I really love wildlife. I love everything that I see. I appreciate everything. So that's why I wanted to get everything. But it's alright. I can't get everything because, money is not always, you know what I mean, right? So thank you so much, Team Party Warriors, for your support as always on my channel, especially Kuya Pudik and Ate Kelly's mom, Pudik TV, Ate Kelly's mom. Thank you so much. My Pioneer members, channel members, thank you so much. And of course, Timoret, thank you so much for your full support all the time. I'm so happy that I met y'all, and I'm so glad that we are still so close. We are getting closer and closer as our team is getting older and older. So I hope it stays like that and we don't change. It's all right to change, but for good. So thank you so much, my husband, Equip Yourself Life Skills, for your support, of course, all the time. I love you so much, my love. And of course, I'm so thankful that you love me so much as well. Anyway, I'm getting too much, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you on my next video. Bye.